Hey everyone, welcome back to Ongster Crypto. If you've ever been liquidated while trading crypto, you know how painful it is. Today, I'll show you exactly how to avoid liquidation, protect your capital, and trade like a pro. In this video, you'll learn the number one reason traders get liquidated and how to stop it, the best risk management strategies to keep your portfolio safe, how to use stop-loss orders, leverage control, and liquidation buffers like a professional trader. Stick around till the end because I'll share my personal liquidation-proof trading strategy that you can start using today. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever been liquidated? What's the worst trade you've ever made? Let's start with the basics. What is liquidation? Liquidation happens when your margin balance reaches zero and your exchange forcefully closes your position to prevent further losses. This happens most often in leverage trading, where you borrow money to amplify your trades. Example, imagine you have $1,000 and use 10x leverage to open a $10,000 trade. If the price moves against you by just 10%, your entire balance is wiped out, and you're liquidated. Why it happens? Over-leveraging, using too much borrowed money. No stop-loss in place, no risk management. Trading against the trend. Entering bad positions with no strategy. Ignoring funding rates and volatility. High volatility can liquidate traders fast. Getting liquidated means losing all your money in that trade, so let's learn how to avoid it. The biggest reason traders get liquidated is simple, using too much leverage. How leverage works: 1x leverage. You're trading with just your own money, 5x leverage. You're borrowing 5x your balance to make bigger trades. 10x leverage. Your trade is 10 times bigger than your actual funds. The danger of high leverage: a 10x leverage trade can be liquidated with just a 10% price movement against you. A 50x leverage trade, only a 2% move against you wipes out everything. If you're trading with high leverage, you're not investing, you're gambling. Now that we know the risks, let's go over the 3 most important strategies to avoid liquidation. Step 1. Use stop-loss orders. 6:7:30. What is a stop-loss? A stop-loss automatically closes your trade when the price reaches a certain level. This prevents your trade from hitting liquidation and limits your losses. How to set a stop-loss. Place a stop-loss 5 to 10% below your entry price, or use ATR to set dynamic stops. Adjust based on market volatility. What is a margin buffer? Keeping extra funds in your margin account prevents sudden liquidation. Many traders make the mistake of using all their capital in a trade instead of keeping a reserve. What happens without a buffer? A sudden price swing triggers liquidation before you have time to react. Solution: keep at least 30 to 50% of your total balance unused to prevent forced liquidation. Avoid putting your entire balance into a single trade. Smart traders always have backup funds in their accounts. How to calculate your liquidation price. Use an exchange calculator, e.g. Binance, Bybit, KuCoin. Enter your leverage, margin balance, and position size. Example, 10x leverage trade. Liquidation price is 9% away from entry. 3x leverage trade. Liquidation price is 33% away, giving you more breathing room. Always check your liquidation price before entering a trade. Now let's put all these strategies together into a liquidation-proof trading plan. Step 1, use low leverage, 3x, 5x max. Step 2, always set a stop-loss, 5-10% risk per trade. Step 3, keep a 30-50% margin buffer. Never go all in. Step 4, use proper position sizing. Don't risk more than 1-2% of your account on a single trade. Real-life example. I recently entered a trade on Ethereum using only 3x leverage, set my stop-loss at 5%, and kept a 40% margin buffer. Even when ETH dropped 10%, I never came close to liquidation, allowing me to stay in the trade and profit when it bounced back. This strategy keeps you in the game longer and prevents devastating losses. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto trading tips. What's the worst liquidation loss you've ever had? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. Subscribe for more crypto trading strategies every week.